Huh? Huh? What was that? Hmm. I need to go tell Knuckles about this. What are you talking about, Sonic? I swear I heard something. Just go back to sleep. Oh my gosh. What's all the commotion about? Hey, Knuckles. What's going on? Look, I'm just trying to sleep, okay? What's going on? Look, I just heard something, that's all. Alright then, good night, I guess? Yeah, good night, dude. Ugh, why does no one ever listen to me? What? What the frick was that? Ugh. Sonic, what are you doing? I'm sorry, look, man, whatever you're doing, like, stop pranking me, okay? What? Okay, I definitely, okay, that definitely wasn't you. What was that? I don't know. Seriously, I swear. Look, we're gonna have a meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay? Just go back to sleep. Alright, how about I sleep next to you? Okay. Okay, everyone, I would like to report a meeting about what happened last night. Dude, you believe me, right? Of course I do. Wait, what, you actually believe Sonic? He's probably pranking us. No, he's not. Yeah, he is. I don't trust him. I'm watching you. Keep an eye on you. No, I swear, I'm not even joking. It's not even me. All right. Well, who's responsible for this? I don't even know. Well, I don't know, but I'm sure it's Sonic. No, it's not. Oh my goodness, you guys are so annoying sometimes. I'm not annoying. What was that? What was that? All right, everyone, we're gonna go to sleep, and if we hear anything, call us, okay? All right. All right, let's go. I'm kind of tired anyway. Honestly, I don't believe anyone. Yeah, me neither. All right, come on. At least we believe in each other. Believe each other. High five. Woo. Let's go. Huh? What was that? Oh, wait a minute. I gotta see this. Hold on. Where are you, freak? Get off me. Wait, I've seen you before. Get back down. Yeah, I got him. Hey, yeah. That's right. Okay, I got him, guys. Wait, Knuckles, get over here. Knuckles, get over here, and Charizard too. Wait a minute, guys. Could it be? Could it be? Come on, just tell us already. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so who it is? Alright, I'll tell you. It is Tails. But why? Yeah, why? Why would you do this, Tails? Because... because he's been gone for months, guys. We haven't seen him for a long time. Yeah, you're right. Correct. Anyway, why did you do this? I just wanted to prank you. Oh, okay, we're forgiven. High five. Not really happy, because of what you did. Yeah, me neither. Sorry, Tails. Oh, come on. Sorry. Come on, guys, let's go.